You have an update now. Gold medalist swimmer Klete Keller, who was seen on video inside the U.S. Capitol last week, has been arrested and has already been in a Denver courtroom. Michael Abeta listened in to the court proceedings today. And Michael, U.S. Marshals told us that he turned himself in.
Yeah, Karen, and honestly, it was a pretty standard first appearance for a federal court here. He heard the charges against him and bond was set. Now, Keller is charged with unlawfully entering and remaining in a restricted building with intent to disrupt the orderly conduct of government business, uttering loud, threatening, or abusive language on the grounds with the intent to impede, disrupt, or disturb the orderly conduct of a session of Congress, obstructing the grounds of any Capitol buildings, and parading, demonstrating, or picketing in any of the Capitol buildings, and obstructing, impeding, or interfering with any fireman or law enforcement officer performing his official duties, and adversely affecting any federal protected function. In this case, it was the joint session of Congress where the Senate and House were counting electoral votes. Now, he was released on a personal recognizance bond, which means that he doesn't have to pay any money. He just has to promise to show up for court. The judge was very clear that he can't travel outside of Colorado, especially to Washington, D.C., unless it's to meet with his lawyers or to go to court on this case. And he especially can't go in the upcoming week up until the inauguration. If he is convicted, he faces up to 6.5 years in jail and hundreds of thousands of dollars in fines. In Denver, Michael Abeta, covering Colorado First.